Pagbati sa lahat, kami ang ika-6 na pangkat at ibabahagi namin sa inyo ang kasaysayan ng mga bansang aming napili mula sa Timog Silangan Asya.
Cambodia's history spans millennia, marked by the rise and fall of empires, colonialism, and modern challenges. The Khmer Empire, 19th to 15th century, was Cambodia's golden age, renowned for building Angkor Wat. After the empire's decline, Cambodia faced centuries of conflict, becoming a vassal state to Thailand and Vietnam. From 1863 to 1953, Cambodia was a French protectorate. Following independence, King Norodom Sihanouk ruled, but a 1970 coup led to the US-backed Khmer Republic. In 1975, the Khmer Rouge, led by Pol Pot, imposed a brutal regime that killed over 1.7 million people. Vietnam ousted the Khmer Rouge in 1979, leading to years of civil war. Peace came in the 1990s, with Hun Sen leading modern Cambodia, which has since experienced political stability and economic growth.
Let's dig deeper in the history of Thailand. Thai culture, influenced by indigenous traditions like Hinduism, Buddhism, and interactions with neighboring cultures, is a rich tapestry woven from the Sukhothai and the Ayutthaya kingdoms. The Ayutthaya kingdom, the successor to Sukhothai, was a powerful empire for its architecture and sophisticated culture. Thai culture is characterized by Theravada Buddhism, which shapes daily life and rituals, and Hindu influences in art, architecture, and royal ceremonies. That official language is Thai. With its distinct script, Thai architecture is renowned for its elaborate royal palaces and temples.
Malaysia, derived from the other islands of Malay archipelago, has a rich history dating back to 40,000 years ago. Its ancient civilization includes Stone Age and early Bronze Age civilization, with a Stone Age being divided into Paleolithic, Mesolithic, and Neolithic periods. Malaysia, oldest civilization, and the Sungai Batu dates back to 788 BC, established in 1963. Malaysia compares the territories of Malay, Singapore, Sarawak, and Sabah. It's known for its cultural diversity, natural landscape, and iconic landmark. Thank you.
Singapore, once a British colony, joined Malaysia's federation in 1963, but ceased to become an independent state in 1965. Known as Temasek Singapura, the Lion City was named by Prince Sangnila Utama. With a history of over 800 years, Singapore is a popular tourist destination known as the Garden City.
Iyan lang para sa ngayon. Kami umaasa na kayo natuto sa paghalad namin sa mga kasaysayan ng mga bansa. Paalam at hanggang sa muli.